What's up guys, I'm here with Chris Ramsey. Today we're going on top of a mountain and I'm gonna show you how to do a magic trick. It's called Red Hot Mama, but my way. It's pretty much one of the craziest, I'm going to perform this trick for you guys and yeah, let's do it.
Uber.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's probably the sickest Uber we had.
Definitely a nice Uber.
Oh my God, look at this. We're literally going in the middle of nowhere.
So the idea is I solve puzzles.
Yeah.
This is the puzzle.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go solve it on a mountain and he's gonna come pick me up when it's done.
Again with the f***ing puzzles. Guys, I'm literally speechless right now. Chilling on top of an iceberg. It's amazing. So Chris just finished solving a puzzle on top of an iceberg right now, which is completely crazy. Look it up on his channel, it's gonna be there. So I'm gonna show you the performance of the trick that I'm gonna teach you today. It's amazing, guys. You're gonna have lots of fun performing this trick to anyone, and it's actually one of the most easiest but most amazing trick you can do to someone. So here we go.
Brad was saying earlier how he used to do magic and he hated magicians just doing tricks all the time. So this should be interesting.
I became a magician who just wanted to do a trick and I couldn't talk to anybody, so I stopped.
Sounds like someone
Alex.
I
Hey, trick, Alex, show me the
know. See, Alex?
Get this guy. You get him. Get him.
Hello, bud.
Oh,
Hey, buddy.
what a cutie. All right, Alex. Alex is getting a little too turned on here.
All the cards are different. Sound good? I want you to say stop for me, please. Go ahead.
Stop.
All right. Remember this card for me? Got it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Hopefully it's gonna work. If I take the deck like this and shake it a bit, you can actually see that all the cards are turning red, except one card here.
I bet you I know a card that is.
What was your card?
5 of diamonds.
5 of diamonds? There you go, buddy. 5 of diamonds. Want to see it again?
Yeah.
Usually a magician can't do the trick twice, right?
Because you gotta reset.
Exactly. And also, maybe the spectator will know how to do it, right? So let's try it. Go like this. I'll place the 5 right here for the moment.
Okay.
Let's try this. Say stop for me.
Stop.
Here. Remember this card now?
Yeah.
Watch this. Again, if I shake, you can see that all of the cards... Just like, if I shake it like this and I go like that, you can see that one... Weird.
Ooh,
Oh, wait. There was only one blue card, right?
Shit.
What was your card?
5 of diamonds. 3 of spades.
3 of spades?
Mother. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bentley. Bentley, what the fuck is this?
Thanks, bro.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, man. Thanks,
That's
buddy.
solid.
Thanks, man. All right. Okay, don't have time for this. Yeah, so here's the explanation for Red Hot Mama, but my way. Again, guys, this is probably one of the best tricks you can do to your spectators. The only thing you need basically is 2 decks of cards, 2 color of your choice. I always use red and blue, just because for me bicycle is the most organic decks to use when I do magic. So red and blue. So here's the setup. You have 1 blue card. All right, and the rest of the deck will be, let's say, red, okay? So what's going to happen is that, let's say your blue card is the 3 of spades. You have to go on your deck and take the other 3 of spades, which is right here. And the setup goes like this. You have your red 3 of spades that goes on top, and the blue 3 of spades that goes on top again. Blue 3 of spades here, red 3 of spades, and the rest of the deck. And my friend, you're ready to do the effect. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit for you like this. Okay, oh, Okay, nice chest hair. Nope. Okay, like this. What the hell? Like that. Okay, don't move. Here we go. Now the only thing you need to do basically is ask the spectator to choose a card. And make sure you be careful, because if you riffle your deck like this, your spectator might see red cards like this. You don't want that. What I do usually is to go like this and riffle the deck on the side with my first finger. All right, and what's going to happen is that I'm gonna let go the selection and have a pinky break above the selection. All right, so again, for example, they say stop here, 9 of diamonds. I let go the selection and I keep my pinky above it just like that. And now what I'm gonna tell the spectator is this. What's going to happen is that when I'm going to shake the deck or do a little move, the whole deck will change color except one card. And it goes like this, just like that. 1, 2, 3. And the whole deck now changes color except one card, and it's this card here, right? So what I've done basically is that since I had a pinky break above the selection, which is the 9 of diamonds, the only thing I have to do basically is a pass. If you don't know how to do a pass, you can go on YouTube, check out my buddy Alex Pandra, Xavier Spade, or probably Chris Ramsey has some really good tutorial on it. But basically I do a pass. So I do a pass, the whole deck changes color. Now the setup is that I have the selection right here, the 9 of diamonds, the rest of the deck, the blue 3 of spade here, the red 3 of spade here, and the rest of the deck. Now you're going to do this. When you spread the card and you show your spectator that one blue card is here, you're going to actually call the red 3 of spade at the bottom, just like this. All right, so let me show you that in full speed. We have the whole deck, one blue card has changed, and that's it, and I take it. So now the setup is that we have the selection here, the 9 of diamonds. At the bottom, we have the red 3 of spades and the blue 3 of spades here. All right. So after that you guys took the blue card and show it like this and called the other 3 of spades at the bottom, when I take it like this, everyone is going to automatically freak the fuck out. And the reason for that is that you just basically change the whole deck to another color. And obviously, they know what's going to happen now. They're going to think that this is their card. But again, their selection is on top here. So when I say, what was your card? And I flick it like this, I actually take a pinky break above the selection right here. And I say, what was your card? 9 of diamonds? Great, I do a double lift, and now I can show them that the selection, now I can show them that the blue card was actually their selection, all right? Now I say, want to see it again? And obviously they're going to say yes. And now usually I say, magician never do the same trick twice. And the reason for that is because maybe the second time you, the spectator, might see how it works, but only for you, I'll do it a second time. So here we go. I take both of the cards like this, I place it like that. Again, this is the 3 of diamonds, and I say, here, watch, I'm going to, and now I miscall this card, right? And I say, oh, I'm going to take the 9 of diamonds, place it right here, or you can place it on the table or on the spectator's hand, just like that. Again, when the magic happens inside of their hands, it's always better. And now I say, let's do it again. Here, watch this. Now, what's going to happen is that you have to force the bottom card, right? Any force is gonna work. I usually do the dribble force, just like that. All right, so anywhere they say stop, that's gonna be the bottom card. And basically what's going on is that I take a little bit more than half of the deck, I do a swing cut, and I keep a thumb break at the back, just like that, right? So from that angle, it's impossible to see the break. And I'm just going to dribble the cards like this in my hand, and anywhere they say stop, I'm gonna stop exactly at my break, and it's gonna be the 3. For example, if they say stop before, the second they say stop, I go with everything, and again I just force the 3 of spades. If you want to know more about forcing cards, you can click here or here or here, I don't remember. It's been so long that I didn't do a video, I don't know which size it is, but click here or here, and I have a really good video about how to force cards. Check it out, check it out. So again, they say stop, stop, boom, this is the 3 of spades, and I say, here, watch this. Place everything on top, and you repeat exactly what you said earlier. You say, when I shake the deck, while I do a little move, you can see that one card is going to change color, right? One card is going to, weird. And now, that's the moment that you guys need to act confused. You have to be an actor for a couple of seconds. You have to act like your trick didn't work at all. And everyone's gonna be confused, and it's the moment that surprise is key for this trick, because what's going to happen now is that you say, remember when I told you that there was only one blue card inside of the deck, and now look at everyone, because everyone's gonna be like, no way, no fucking way, I'm out of here. They're going to lose their mind. The reason for that is that it's unexpected. And the best magic happens when you actually mix a surprise with your magic tricks, all right? So now you say, remember when I had only one card inside of the deck? And now you say this card and you point to it. And again, everyone's gonna look at it like, oh no, oh my God. And now you take it and you say, what was your card? They're going to say 3 of spades. You turn it slowly and you show it. And that, my friend, is a pure miracle. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this effect. I think it's probably one of the best effects you can do with cards. It's a mix of surprise and possibilities, but also it's just fun to do and it's easy. Practice, 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 but most importantly, try to practice your pattern, how you're going to talk to your spectator, what's your story behind this trick, and most importantly, again, guys, have fun. It's all about having fun. I know it's been a while that I didn't post a video, but as you can see right now, I'm in Vancouver in my apartment because I'm filming a TV show called Big Trick Energy with, oh shit. Okay, is that better? I can't believe I'm on my knees right now talking to you. What a life. I'll just say that yes, I'm in Vancouver right now. I've been so busy with our TV show called Big Trick Energy. I'm here with Wes Barker, Chris Ramsey, and Eric Leclerc, and it's probably one of the biggest projects of our lives. You guys are going to lose your mind when you're going to see this TV show. It's magic in a way that has never been done before, and really is the first time that I can say that for the magic world. So again, guys, sorry if it's been a long time, but hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Alex Boyer, and I'll see you guys really, really soon. And I'm not gonna be on my knees in the next video. See you soon. Peace. Transition. How come my transitions never work?
For someone to say